Hello everyone, welcome to my channel M Learning, Explore the Unexplored. Today I am going to share with you about the mystery of Rani Ratnavati, which is said to have association with one of the most haunted destinations in India, which is the Bhangar Fort. So let's get started. Bhangar Fort is said to be one of the most haunted spot in India, and it is said to have the greatest unresolved mystery. There is no denying that anything related to supernatural always draws a lot of interest, and this desolate city of Bhangar capitalizes on that very idea. Bhangar Fort has many ghost stories that have turned it into a bucket list destination for visitors. Visitors often come here in search of fun and entertainment, and there are various narratives of Bhangar Fort. Some people believe that Bhangar Fort is ghostly, and there are various stories that add to the mystery of Bhangar. And it is also said that entering the fort after sunset is an act of bravery, as it is a hot spot for paranormal activity. And even Archaeological Survey of India prohibits people from entering or visiting the Bhangar Fort after the sunset. Now, there are various stories associated with this fort, and the most renowned of the various Bhangar legends is that of the Emperor Madho Singh, who is said to have built the city after gaining blessings from Guru Balunath. He was a saint who used to meditate there. Now, it is said that the saint agreed for the construction of the city on the condition that the shadow of the emperor's palace should not fall on his retreat. If it happened, the city would shatter into ruins. And sadly, when the palace was finished, Guru Balu's refuge was overshadowed by it. And after incurring the saint's anger and rage, Bhangad instantly converted into a cursed city that could never be rebuilt because no structures ever could survive here. But it is worth noting that Guru Balunath's tomb can still be seen amongst the ruins. Now, there's another interesting story that is of Rani Ratnavati that is associated with Bhangar. And as per the history, it is said that she was very beautiful and her beauty was unrivaled, and there were rumors of her outshining beauty that spanned across kings and kingdoms and borders. And as soon as she turned 18, suitors from all over the country approached her, asked for her hand in marriage, and amongst all these suitors was a magician, and his name was Singhia. And it is said that he was well aware that he was not a match for Princess, and so he chose to win her through supernatural tricks and that he possessed. So he happened to spot the prince's mistress at the market, and he used black magic to enchant the oil that the mistress was buying for the princess Ratnavati. And he hoped that as soon as the oil will touch princess body, she would fall in love with him and agree to marry to him. However, his endeavors were useless because Rani Ratnavati was also had knowledge of black magic, and she saw his trick and dumped the oil on the ground, which soon mutated into a rock and rolled towards the magician, ultimately crushing him. And it is said that Singhya, while he was about to die, he cursed the city of Bhangar, and it is because of this that it never saw any rebirths, and even Princess Ratnavati was killed in a fight between Ajabgarh and Bhangar, which add more weight to this curse. However, the villagers have still have hope, and they believe that she has returned in a different form, and now this will end the curse on Bhangar. But at the same time, scientists have dismissed all the stories of Bhangar, which are associated with ghost and paranormal activities. But villagers still continue to believe that it is haunted, and people have even alleged that they have heard unexplained noises, and they have heard ladies screaming, wailing, and bangles breaking, and all kinds of odd music that emanates from the fort. And there have also been reports of a unique aroma that flows through the Bhangar fort, and that eerie shadows and unexplainable lights. And some visitors have also said that they feel they are being followed and or slapped by an invisible presence. It is said that if a person enters the fort after sunset, he or she will never leave that place alive. So, as a result of precaution, the doors are always kept closed post sunset and no one is allowed. And so, this was about Bhangar. So, you let me know, can you dare to spend the night at Bhangar post sunset? Do let me know about your views in the comment box below. And please, please support by subscribing and liking. Thank you so much.